Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Wait, what? Just kidding, guys. So I'm actually going to be working on this this GSX, and it's actually pushing a little bit of coolant. So yeah, guess what we're gonna do? A head gasket job once again. So we're gonna make this thing boost once again, high boost, okay, and not worry about it. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna start the tear down process, and yeah, let's have at it. Oh, what? All right, so this is how the car is looking like prior to taking it apart. Just so as you guys can see, I kind of actually don't mind working on these type of engine bays. You know, a lot of stuff has definitely been removed. It might not look like it, but it actually has. Anyways, we're gonna start the tear down process, and yeah, let's go ahead and put you guys in a time lapse, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's go. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna take a little pause and just explain to you guys briefly what's going on. So I ended up removing the top intercooler pipe and pretty much separating the intake manifold from the head. Okay, we got that going. One thing I do want to bring to your guys' attention is this motor is actually a 6-bolt motor, and what the owner actually wants to do, he wants to run the 2GB cam angle sensor paired up to the KIGGLY kit, racing kit. So we're gonna ditch this 1G cam angle sensor here, and just get kind of ready to install it. Maybe I'll work with the wiring as soon as we got the head over to our engine builder. But nevertheless, just so you guys are aware, we're going to be ditching the 1G cam angle sensor, and we're going to be installing a 2GB cam angle sensor paired up to the KIGGLY Racing crank trigger kit. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be separating the exhaust manifold from the head. I'm going to attempt to at least separate it. I know it's not gonna, we have a very tight clearance here between the exhaust manifold and also the wastegate here, so there might be a few things. Hopefully not, but I might run into these things. Nevertheless, whatever, I'm gonna keep going, and then I'll update you guys as I go along. All right, let's go. Alright, so I pretty much loosened up the majority of the ARP standard. Right now he's running standard ARPs. The nuts, I loosened them up all around the cylinder head, and what I actually ended up doing off camera is I removed the timing belt. Now this thing is a little bit loose, and I want to say it's loose enough for me to actually remove the head and put it on our workbench. So I'm gonna try to wiggle it a little bit and see if maybe I can put it on our workbench. All right, so we got the cylinder head off. I actually needed some extra hands. I'm gonna start removing these ARPs, but I'll probably get to that as soon as I'm done disassembling the head. You guys can see the head, the cylinder head is actually here in the workbench area, and I'm going to start to disassemble it off camera, and then following after that it's going to take a trip up to the Bay Area. All right, so we got the cylinder head disassembled. Like I mentioned, I was actually going to disassemble it off camera. Here it is, and we got the lifters, we got the rockers as well, and we have the cams here. So yeah, it's gonna take a trip to the Bay Area, and then hopefully you know, we'll be getting it back sometime soon. Once I do, I'll be back. For the meantime being, just be aware I might be a little productive and you know, do the water pump. We do have a water pump to install in the car, and a couple other things, like I mentioned, the KIGGLY Racing crank trigger kit. If you guys haven't seen that, check it out. It's in one of my videos. I'll probably link it down in the description. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned guys. I'll catch you guys on episode number 2. All right, let's go.